In this video, we're going to learn how to update CAN nodes with the Envizio Pro. Okay, so here we are now at the Envizio Pro with it fired up, our USB in the side or in the back, it doesn't matter. Keep in mind, anytime you're doing an update to an Envizio Pro or whatever it may be, make sure the machine is running. Go ahead and select your Blue Tools button. You'll select the control interface. In the control interface, you'll select the node with the eye on the right hand side. And in here you'll see the numbers that we showed you earlier on the USB after we downloaded the software. With the numbers here on the USB, you'll match up here. So with the boom speed in this case is version 1.52 and an identifier of 268. So the 268 is the one that's going to pull up after we highlight it. We select the three arrows at the bottom. Once it brings us to this update page, you'll select the 268 version 152 again and program node. And this may take a while, depending on what node you're doing. Make sure the machine is running. Now that the boom speed node is done, it brings us back to this CAN diagnostic screen. So now, in this case, we have a multi-product node, which is unlocked for 5 products, but the Envizio Pro is only going to show 4 because that's all it can do. So here we look at the identifiers as 279, 279 all the way through. If you have multiple single product nodes, it'll show the same thing you're seeing here with a different identifier. They'll all be the same again. Therefore, you have to go through and update each one of those nodes one at a time. Since this is all one node, I can update this one by just doing the first product node. And again, we select it to highlight it blue, hit the 3 arrows on the bottom. Select it in the updates, and then program node again. And when this is done, it'll bring us right back to that same screen again so we can move on to the next node and the next node and so on.